Hi everyone, thank you for joining me here once again for another video. So today, before we get started, once again, I'm going to show you the dry painting from my previous video. And it was the red, shades of red. So here she is. And look how gorgeous it dried. Take a look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And like I mentioned before I was done, I did go in here and I blew it in some more in here and I blew it in some more just to create some negative space in the painting. Tell me what you guys think. I love it. You can put it in any orientation you prefer, or hang it up, display it. It is a gorgeous piece. This is my favorite way or orientation to hang it up. Gorgeous. Tell me what you guys think. Leave your comments in the comment section below. And I'm going to go ahead and get started. Once again, I'm working on a 10 by 20 inch level 3 canvas. And as always, for those new ones watching, I do prep my canvas. I tape the back and I put my push pins in just to keep it off the table while I do my pour. So without further ado, meet me down at the canvas. Okay, so here we are. I am set up. So I am working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas like I mentioned earlier. And I'm just putting on my gloves. See? And we're going to go ahead and get started. So I am flooding once again with my titanium white by Loft. I did go ahead and I did paint all the edges with the paint right off the bottle just to get coverage there. Okay. I just see something on there I want to get rid of. Okay, so there we are. And we're going to go ahead and just flood the canvas. We are working with blues. So hues of blues. I apologize for this glare. Let me go ahead and take care of that. Is that better? A lot better. So I just turned off my overhead light because of the glare that it creates. I want you to see the painting. Now I just want to see what I want to do. Well, I'll keep the same, I guess, design or composition. So I'm going to go from here. Just like that. And that color is Prussian Blue Hue Phthalo by Amsterdam. My next color is Pearl Blue by Amsterdam. And it looks white, but once it dries, it will have a blue hint to it. That's why I'm layering on top of that dark color. My next color is Pearl Sapphire Blue by Arteza. This is probably one of my favorite blues, this Arteza color. It looks a lot like the Primary Blue by Deco Art, which is also a very beautiful color. And with the blue color palette, I am not adding gold. I am adding Iridescent Silver by Pebeo. I think the silver looks a lot nicer with the blues. So that's why we are substituting this time and using silver. Okay. Just a little dust particle in there that I was trying to get rid of. Next color I have Pearl Artic Blue by Arteza. And look how beautiful that color is. So this is shades of blue. Tell me what you guys think. Andrea, I know you mentioned it. I hope you like this one. And last but not least, I have Pearl Sky Blue by Arteza. Most of them I have are Arteza. Well, no, I have 2 Amsterdam paints, 2 Arteza, and 1 Pebeo. So we're finishing up with Pearl Sky Blue. And tell me if that color palette is not just gorgeous. It's not even blown out, and I love it. So now we're going to torch out the air bubbles. Once again, torch out, even in my white, once again, as they come to the surface, as it sits here. And now I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to start right down here and work my way through. I mean, there's nothing wrong with blue. Blue is just a winner in my book. I'm just going to go ahead, follow through with my finger here to continue this line. I'm going to get my palette knife, plastic one, to make sure I kind of merge those lines there. I'm going to blow a little bit in here. I'm going to blow in towards the blue right at this corner. Beautiful. Blow out here. I'm going to come in over here. So now I'm just tweaking the design. Gorgeous. Love it. I'm going to blow in here. Okay, beautiful. Everything is with intention here for me. Okay, beautiful. I'm happy with this now. I love it. I don't think there's anything else that I want to do here. I'm going to bring it over the edge here. There. Okay, so I'm going to clean up my edges. I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are. Again, I apologize for that glare right in here. That's the overhead light. But I'm going to bring you in as close as I can so you can see this gorgeous painting. So take a look at that. Tell me that's not beautiful. It is gorgeous. I love the dark edges being caused by the Prussian blue phthalo by Amsterdam. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take you in. And you can see the shades of blues just popping through. Look at those micro cells right here. And you can see how they're encircled with lighter, darker hues of blue. Take a look at that. Gorgeous, where the dark colors pop through and then the creating depth. And then you have your lighter shades kind of splash throughout the painting. Look at that edge right there. That is gorgeous. Beautiful. So I took it back a little bit just to give you a better color display. So lots of, just like the microscopic cells, small little clusters here. I didn't get a lot of webbing or lacing. And again, we did not have the 24 karat gold in here. We had the silver, the iridescent silver. Look how beautiful that is right there. So overall, a beautiful piece. Love the color combo. Love the orientation. The movement that it has. Tell me what you guys like. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me here once again at Float Arts by Elsa. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.